Question 25. The diagram shows 4 overlapping squares which have sides 5, 7, 9 and 11. What is the difference between the total area shaded grey and the total area shaded black? So I'm going to start this by working out if there was no white, what would it look like in terms of those areas? So just looking back at that diagram there, what we've got here, if we were looking now to add the whole of this 121, we're looking at the grey plus 1 piece of white. If we're looking at the 49 that's in this 7, it's all of the grey plus all of the white here. So we've got 1, 2, 3 pieces of white, which is all of them, and then all the grey. So we can say that the grey plus the white is going to be 121 plus 49. This grey added together gives us 170. And similarly, the black plus the white gives us 106. What you need to do is you need to subtract 170, subtract 106, but let me show you with algebra why that's what we have to do next. So we know if we said that grey was a G and white was a W, black was a B, white is exactly the same whether we're adding it to the black or adding it to the white, so it's the same letter. So I can say that G plus W equals 170. And if I rearrange, I'm going to write this one as well, B plus W equals 106. So if I rearrange that, I've got the same term here. In fact, I could just subtract, but let me rearrange first. W equals 170 subtract G. W equals 106 subtract B. And because these two equal the same thing, I can put them equal to each other. I want the difference between grey and black. And as it happens, if I added the grey to both sides, so if I add grey, get 170 equals 106 plus G subtract B. And I can carry on to subtract 106 from both sides, which gives me 170 subtract 106, which is 64, which gives us grey subtract black. This is the difference between grey and black areas. And so therefore the answer is 64, which is D. Well done if you got anywhere near that.